Hello everyone. So this is the 11th session of the food safety and quality assurance, and the topic for today is physiology of sensory organ, that is tongue, classification and taste of odor, threshold value and its determination. So how are tastes classified? Tastes are basically classified as sweet, sour, bitter, etc. So sweet taste, what is sweet taste? The substance which elicits the sweet sensation are primarily organic compounds. Alcohol, glycerol, salts, that is lead acetate, sugars, complex aromatics, saccharin, organometallic compounds, that is cyclamates, aldehyde, cinnamic aldehyde, etc. taste sweet. Not all sugars are equally sweet. Fructose gives the most intense sweet taste, followed by sucrose, galactose, and lactose. Sweetness appears to be associated with hydroxyl radicals on the sugar molecules. Lower sweet taste of some sugars are attributed to the crumpling of the molecule, putting OH groups so close that they get attracted to each other by hydrogen bonds, therefore not free to elicit sweet taste. Sweetening agents used in food are toxic on long use and can be considered health hazardous. Saccharin is 3 times, sucramine is 700 times, and cyclamates are 30 times sweeter than sugar. Sweetness is particularly important in soft drinks, fruit and fruit juices, in honey, and in many baked foods. Sour taste. Sourness or the tart taste of acids is also important in fruit and fruit juices and in fermented products. Lack of a certain amount of acidity results in flat and unpalatable taste in many foods. It is doubtful if the acid taste has much protective value for man in food selection. Even the most acid foods are not strong enough in acidity to be injurious to health. The sour taste is associated with hydrogen ions supplied by acids like vinegar, those found in fruits, in acid salts. The intensity of sensation depends upon more on the H positive ion concentration than the total acidity. But sourness and H positive ion concentration do not run exactly parallel to each other. At equimolar concentration, acetic acid tastes more acid than hydrochloric, although pH of the latter is lower, maybe due to interaction of saliva and the acid compound. Organic compounds compared with inorganic acids at same pH will have greater taste effect. Also, weak acids which taste more acid than they should based on H positive ion concentration may influence taste mechanism other than the simple sour taste. Buffering action of saliva appears to play a role in determining the sourness of various acids. Saltiness is much appreciated taste. It is due to the ions of salts. Table salt is the most common salty taste in foods. Sodium chloride is said to be the only salt with pure salty sensation. Even so, in dilute concentration, it is frequently identified as sweet. The taste of salt is dependent on the nature of both cation and anion. As the molecular weight of either cation and anion increases, the salts are likely to taste bitter. Potassium chloride and calcium chloride have a salty taste but different from sodium chloride. Similar is the case with sodium fluoride and iodide. Bitter taste is appreciated in beer, wines, and in some food. It has little protective value to man and his selection in food which is safe to eat. Bitter taste is widely distributed and can be attributed by a variety of inorganic and organic compounds. Alkaloids, basically nitrogen containing organic compounds, that is caffeine, theobromine, nicotine, and quinine, are bitter. Glycosides are phenolic compounds, that is naringin, in grape foods, and organic salts taste bitter in amino acid phenylalanine, leucine, valine, and histidine. Bitter peptides are partial enzyme hydrolysis of proteins formed during the cheese ripening. Other aspects of taste: in addition to the individual taste, there is more interrelation between them. The sugar to acid ratio is important to in fruits. The alkaline taste is attributed to OH negative ions and irritating effect on general nerve endings in the mouth. The astringency is not taste but aspect of flavor. Borax is also known for astringency. Coolness is a characteristic of menthol. Hotness is associated with spices, also known as pungency. Metallic taste has no odor, no receptor sites, but is real. It appears to be modality of common chemical sense like irritation and pain. A drug, chimeric acid, renders taste but insensitive to sweet and bitter, but no to salt and sour. A berry grown in Africa known as miracle fruit, when eaten sour fruit, sour fruit tastes sweet. The active substance coats the taste buds. Salts reduce sourness of acids. Certain acids increase their saltiness. Salts on the other side of the tongue causes distilled water on the other side to or insipid, that is tasteless. Salt on one side, subthreshold concentration of sucrose, and the other easily recognized as sweet, very sweet. A sugar solution on the other enhances saltiness. Now, salt also sensitizes to salt. Taste threshold. Thousands of thresholds are reported in the literature. Data is not always comparable because of the difference in technique, impurities, types of chemicals used, inadequate number of tests, insufficient statistical analysis of the validity, plus undetermined factors such as order, presentation, temperature, time, experience, physical condition, age, sex, and area stimulated. Taste interaction. Since food contain mixture of substances which elicit all four taste sensations, the subject of taste interaction is of great interest to food technologists. In most of the cases, there is probability of desensitizing effects to increasing the threshold. Salt reduces sourness of acid. Sprinkling of salt on fruit increases the apparent sweetness of sucrose. A pinch of sugar may improve over salted soup. Sugar reduces bitterness of caffeine, sourness of acids at high concentration. The effect of second taste is generally to reduce the sensitivity of frost. Not all the people react the same. Taste blindness. An individual may exhibit varied responses to taste stimuli of certain chemicals. That is, 1/4 of the population is said to be taste blind to phenylthiocarbamide, which contains a nitrogen carbon group. Being blind to a certain taste should not cause undue concern for the novice evaluator, since other factors play important role in judging dairy products. Most expert judges possess no special taste acuity. Factors affecting taste threshold. Disease and accident may result into loss of decrease or alter temporary, permanent and taste sensations. Irritating tongue of patient with X-rays of cobalt source reduces taste sensitivity of all taste except sour. In case diabetes, sweet taste is an absence to the stimuli. Bitter in the case of jaundice. Patients with adrenal insufficiency increase in sensitivity to all taste. Effect of sleep and hunger. Lack of sleep up to 72 hours did not affect the threshold to sweet and salt but raised the star threshold significantly. Age newborn to 40 days, no little taste differentiation. Um, Smoking affects taste preference via taste mechanism. Other factors are chronic alcoholism, excessive smoking, allergy, fever, badly infected germs, marked tooth decay do not affect the sensitivity to sucrose. Effect of temperature on taste. The effect is not uniform. Sucrose and HCl at 35 to 50 degrees Celsius is the optimum temperature. Increased temperature is increased response to sweet, decreased response to salty and bitter, unchanged sensitivity to acid. To study the effect of temperature, one requires control of area stimulated and the rate at which the liquid passes over the tongue. Classification of odors. Just as the various taste reactions were resolved into 4 basic categories, attempts have been made by numerous investigators to classify odors as a 4 modulatory classification. Any odor or substance has 4 components which include fragrant, described as a flowery or fruity, acid or sharp, burnt or tarry or scorched, and caprylic or goat-like. 6 odors grouping in and I am grammatically arranged 6 fundamental odors which interacted or intermediate odors are shown a component to the olfactory prism. On a close examination of the prism, one can observe that a given odor can either be a fundamental odor by occupying a corner when the 2 odors are involved. They would be located along an edge. Simplified 6 odor sensation to 4 odors grouping. There are 7 primary classes of odors, including ethereal, camphoraceous, musky, floral, minty, pungent, and putrid. Odor threshold and factors affecting it. The apparent olfactory thresholds for the most powerful odors are about 10,000 times lower than the lowest taste threshold. Differential sensitivity to taste appears to be finer than it is to odor. Typical thresholds are given in table 8.1. Fatigue is also more rapid and permanent with smell than with taste, sight, and or hearing. Factors affecting threshold. There are several factors which affect the threshold. These are purity of compound, external variables such as duration and rate of flow of inspired or injected air, reduction in olfactory acuity. Methods of presentation of samples generally influence the result, error and habituation. Effect of hunger and chemicals. Increase in sensitivity during morning and a rapid decrease after a meal. Alcohol and sugar decreases olfactory sensitivity. and individual variation. In order threshold not only a matter of definition and technique but also related to differences in the physiological state of the nose. Techniques for sensory evaluation of food odors. Olfactometry. It is an air dilute method consisting of a measured amount of odorous material sealed in a small thin walled glass tube placed inside a larger container. This small tube was broken and the subject opened the container and sniffed the content. If the subject could detect the odor, the tests were repeated with the same quantity of material in a larger container until the odor was no longer recognizable. Major errors associated with this technique include absorption of the test material on the glass, dilution when container is opened, and difficulty in weighing volatile material. That's all for this session. Thank you.